Hey, what's up guys, DZ here. I'm just going to do a quick review on the Force1 UFO 3000. Pretty cool little flyable drone. Really easy to control, stable, throw some flips. So you see right here, I threw a couple flips around. The controller has a nice feel to it. Really comfortable in your hands. I like the shape of it. Gets a great flight time. I got a cool 13 minutes out of it. In mode 2, pretty fast, and like I said, the flight time on it's awesome. It doesn't have a camera, but the LED lights make up for that, you know, not having a camera and stuff. It's really hard to not keep your orientation with this drone, but like I said, it doesn't have a camera, but it could easily be outfitted with a FPV cam. And I'm sure with that flight time, it shouldn't really make much of a difference because you won't really need to put any extra weight on it, you know. But like I said, this is a pretty good drone. For you on a budget, if you'd like to get something, you know, cheap that flies good, Force1 has these with the codes right now. Go ahead and check out their Facebook page, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. This is DZ. You guys have a good one.